Well, hello, lifestylers, and welcome back to Lifestyle with LaToshia. Happy 4th of July. So as you can see, I am out here on my enclosed patio, and we are getting ready in today's video to make a transition happen in the space. I'm really excited because we're just gonna try something really different that I haven't done before. My family is questioning where I got this idea from, but we don't have anything really large planned for the 4th of July, but I decided that we still could celebrate it here at home by doing something a little bit different for dinner time. So you're gonna be with me today as I transform this space, and I gotta admit, we are in the thick of summer, which means we're going to the pool a lot, and this space is well used. As you can see, we've got towels hanging up, towels on the chair, so it's a mess, and we've got to organize it. Look at all those pillows, because I was getting ready to transition it out for summer, and then I decided I want to do something different. My husband has some pellets from his grill that he's working on down here. I've got some bouquets of flowers. It's just a mess. So I'm going to try something really different. So be with me today as we get this space ready for the 4th of July. And I hope that you like this video. I hope that you subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to leave your comments down below. And most importantly, share this video with someone else that you know. Thank you for joining me today. And I can't wait for you to be here to see the final results. Let's get started. Well, all right, we are getting started by removing all of the decor from my spring decorations, from an event that we had here at the clubhouse, from the towels from when we've gone to the pool, the pillows from where I was going to change out, just everything that is out here. We're going to take it away and just create a clean space for us to make this transition happen out on the porch. We've got so much stuff that's out here, and this just shows you guys our home is a real home. We live in it and we use it well. We enjoy it thoroughly, and it is just like any other home. We make a mess sometimes. So what we're doing now is we're taking out all of the furniture. We're going to sit it out on the patio, and I'm trying to decide whether or not I'm going to shift it down to the patio area or not. Still haven't decided that. In the meantime, we decided to give the patio space a quick refresh. And this was a situation where the boys were like, hey, can we help? And I was like, absolutely. So we gave them a little bit of guidance on what to do. We decided to wash away some of that pollen. It's not as bad as it was when we decorated for spring. However, there definitely was still pollen that was all over the edges, and we wanted to just clean up that space and give it a quick refresh. We're also going to do that banana plant as well. And then I'm going to make some adjustments to our curtains, because as you can see, they are tied in knots, and that was simply because the lights that we have hanging up there are literally wrapped, and it was going to be quite an undertaking for me to get those undone so that we could move those curtains. However, today is the day. So you're going to see me unwrap all of those lights and adjust them to allow the curtains to be able to shift to the corners the way that I want to, especially for the summertime, because we want the breeze to flow through. We've got the ceiling fan going, and we definitely want it to be an airy space. So I'm really excited about the way that it's going to look, because I haven't done this since I added in the extra panels to make it wider. These panels and the lights I actually got from Amazon, and I will link them down below. And I'm going to be honest, we put these lights up for an effect for Christmas. And after I got them up, my husband was like, can we leave them up all year? So we definitely decided to do that. And I'm going to be just completely transparent. I love them. I don't know if I will ever take them down because they give such a mood and a vibe out on the porch, and it is so pretty to see the lights set up. The great thing about them is that I have them on a timer, so they come on probably about 8 o'clock in the evening, and I'll leave them on until maybe about 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning just to give a really pretty effect. And I absolutely love the way that they turned out. It was definitely a great purchase. As you can see here, it definitely took some effort to get the curtains adjusted so that we could get them to slide all over, which is honestly why I had delayed in doing it so long. So now here, Chauncey and my son are bringing the table up from the below patio, and we're going to set it right on top of that rug. I just purchased that rug, and that was also a purchase from Amazon. So I'm going to reuse that. And we're going to bring this table in. And one thing my daughter said, I don't know if I mentioned it before, this table was a Facebook Marketplace find. And it is so heavy. It's completely iron. It's not that lightweight stuff. It is a heavy piece. And my daughter asked me, is the patio going to hold that? So with all the chairs and everything, it's definitely a piece that once we put it in place, we're probably going to leave it for a little while, which is honestly the intention, so that we could utilize the patio more in that space for dinner and for breakfast and for lunch. So I just absolutely love how this is starting to turn out. All right, here we go. Now it is time for me to decorate. And so I've decided that I wanted to decorate it. Like I said before, we're not really doing anything fancy for the 4th of July. We may go to a local event that may be happening tomorrow. However, we're still going to be having dinner at home. We're not having anyone over. It's just going to be us. But I decided, you know what? Let's go ahead and decorate this space. I'm going to put this video out just in time for the 4th of July. Just to kind of showcase some of the different options that you could also do in your home. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to use a burlap because I figured, hey, we're outside, it's nature, let's use something that has more of an organic feel. On top of that, you've seen this before. This is the candle holder that I had downstairs, and these hydrangea flower heads are things that I had before. I've used them for Memorial Day and for 4th of July before, and I just decided to do something different with the picks, and I've used these lamps before. And as I stated, anything that is still able to be purchased, whether it's from Amazon or from Ross or Target or any of those places that I purchased in advance, I will link those things down below so that you can still take advantage of them. Going into setting the place setting, I'm going to use this large white charger that I have. Still going with the organic, I'm going to use these place settings that are going to be greenery, and then the plates are actually red, white, and blue stars. And I got the plates that are on top from Home Goods a couple of weeks ago. And then the blue napkins I already had. I've had them forever. I got them from Big Lots several years ago. And then the napkin ring holders, I actually got those from Hobby Lobby. And what I really loved about this place setting is that the ring holder to me actually looks like fireworks when they're going in spirals. And so I thought that was just a great little way to complete my place setting. So now I'm going to bring in some acrylic glassware. If you've been on this channel before, you know I've mentioned when we're doing things outside, I don't like to bring my stemware outside because I don't want it to get broken, honestly. So I'm going to use these acrylic glasses that I actually got from Home Goods a couple of years ago, and they are perfect for this tablescape. Now, of course, we have to be a little patriotic. I'm going to show a little bit of that by having some flags and some ferns that I actually got from Hobby Lobby a couple of months ago. And I think they were just the perfect touch. And then, of course, if you've been here before, you've seen these. I probably will use these for every Memorial Day, Labor Day, and 4th of July holiday that we have that I want to do decor for. This is a set that I actually got from Amazon, I want to say maybe 2 years ago. And the great thing about them is that they come with so many different options that I absolutely love it. I want to think it was like 9 pillow covers in that set. And so I'll definitely link it below. The final thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in some of those lanterns. I actually swiped these from my husband. And then in the corner, I'm going to match and mirror the other side by bringing in another banana plant that I had in the house. This is also another Amazon find, and it was a set of 2. And I actually did a video of unboxing these that I just absolutely was thrilled about. So now the final things that we're going to do is that I've got some tea lights that I had gotten from Amazon as well. I'm going to light those, and then I'm going to go ahead and turn on those rechargeable lamps and just create the ambiance for my family. And all I kept hearing was, okay, now this is really cute from all of my family members. So I'm really thrilled at the way it turned out. Well, here we are. This is what we came up with, and I absolutely adore how cute it is. And if you look in the back, you'll see that on the windowsills I brought out the signs that I've used before that say home and blessed and gather, and I just put them in the window just to create some more of a great little atmosphere for my family. And so we've got the banana plants. I brought in some hanging swags just to put in that space, just to kind of fill it up a little bit more so that it wasn't just too plain. And I love the way that they turned out. But right now, this is looking amazing. And I love it's got enough of the red, white, and blue in there just for my family to feel like we're celebrating the 4th of July. We do have so many things that we're grateful for because we are so blessed. And I'm so thankful that we're able to just sit down in our home and enjoy each other's company. And here it is with the twilight view. If you've been here before, you know this is my favorite time to showcase the entire space with the lights on. The sun is just beginning to set, and it is perfect. It is just what I envisioned. I'm so grateful that I was able to pull it off just in time for the 4th, because guys, life has been busy and we have been running, but tomorrow on the 4th, we're going to actually take some time just to hang out, enjoy each other's company, and talk about all the things that we're really grateful for. And I hope you do the same. Well, all right, lifestylers, I want to thank you for joining me today on this video. I hope that you've enjoyed seeing me transform my patio into a lovely 4th of July celebration for my family. If you've been on this channel before, I hope that you've subscribed already. I hope that you like this video. Of course, I would love for you to leave your comment down below. And most importantly, share this video with a friend. I want to thank you guys for joining me today. And as always, be safe, have fun, make great memories, and take care. Bye-bye.